What up, E-fam? Welcome back to the channel. We're here in OC today, in Sports Basement, at the Aventon event, electric bike event. There's going to be a group ride shortly. Everyone's saddling up, and there's giveaways, there's snacks, and I want to say there's about 100 people. I brought you a spare battery if you need. Yeah. But you won't need it for this one, but maybe later. So they're giving away discounts. This Sports Basement warehouse or store is huge. Like, look at the size of this thing. It's actually really neat inside. There's all kinds of e-bikes here today, all kinds of styles, but I haven't seen any Super73s yet. Obviously it's an Aventon event, but there's definitely all kinds of PEVs that are welcome. I have my Volcon Brat, obviously. It's one of my portable bikes, because all my other Super 73s are somewhat heavy now because now I converted into a motorbike. We hope one of us can win an Aventon e-bike. How many group rides do you go to with a raffle to win an e-bike, you know? I'm not normally a morning person, but for this one, I figured, why not? Let's just try something new. Start at 11 a.m. All right, so 8 minutes. So let's go. I think, which is surprising because we're in OC area. You would have thought there would be a few Super 73s in the area. Alright, we're in the back of the pack. I want to say 100 people in a large group ride like this for some time now. It's been a while. We're trying to win a pink Aventon bike. We're rolling out. This is gonna be like a 10 to 12 easy peasy leisure ride. So I saw this event like way back early, I don't know, 2 months ago, and I saw that only 10 people were interested on Facebook events, and I'm like, oh, okay, there's a high chance we could win an e-bike. And then I invited Martin, and then obviously so many, yeah, we're not going to use our battery at all. Yeah, you could just regularly pedal. Let's get away from the music. I'm gonna get away from the music. That guy's just blasting some music. Oh, I don't want to get stuck. You know what? We got stuck. Probably 10 of them got ahead. That's cool.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
Yeah, like no one has it yet.
No, I know. It's the first time I've seen one in person, actually.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it handles nice. My wife and I are short, so that's why it's one of the lower stand over. Yeah,
that's a problem with a lot of the moped style.
Yes.
I love them, but I'm so tall. That
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I can't stride. I gotta use it as a moped.
Oh, cool.
Anytime I ride it. But
Yeah.
it looks good quality, though.
Yeah, I like the compartment too. Less than a month.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So very fresh.
Yeah, they're like only 30 some miles or something like that.
Nice.
Yeah. It's only a 750 watt motor, but it just depends on what you're looking for. You have a channel, don't you?
I do. Yes.
Yeah.
It's still electric.
Yeah, perfect, nice. Mine is E-Bike Adventures.
That's awesome.
Yeah, my name's Julian.
Already.
Yeah, you got it.
You have a helmet on, so I can't tell.
Oh yeah. No worries. It's funny that she's the only one that knows what it is. Everyone has to ask what my bike is, but e-bike enthusiasts pretty much know for the most part. you know, what's on the market and what's not. So I'm gonna wait a little bit here. Yep, they went ahead. Here we go, guys. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Yeah, even a regular biker can definitely go here. Alright, I don't want to miss out too much. Here we go, finally going to some bike lane. Some legitimate bike lane. I think Martin said we're going to the beach too, so that's cool. Miss Go electric bike is going to be going to different states. So she's an Aventon staff. Yeah, so feel free to check out her channel. And her name is Miss Go electric bike channel. There's Martin racing in the rear. Nice bike path so far. I think I've been here once. And yeah, I think we are heading towards the ocean. I haven't really looked at my map, but if Martin says so, then it must be so. Still no sign of Martin. I'm not trying to bypass everyone ahead of me, but he's definitely ahead somewhere. He totally just blew by me as I was waiting for him. My riding buddy. over 100 folks and 0 people trying to wheelie. That type of group. The Aventon target group. Let's look for Martin. To your left. Where are you, Martin? I know you're the only one with a full face helmet. Oh, look at this, an electric, a standing bike, elliptico. That's awesome. Is it bafang? Middrive? I haven't seen her earlier. That's really cool. I thought about that for people who want to, stand up. Oh, it is a bafang motor. It's a rear hub, tiny bafang motor. That's really cool. That's really cool. I don't really see those around. The ellipticos, yeah, nice. These guys are the leaders, right? There's no one else ahead? I'm looking for my buddy. Yeah, I thought he was ahead. Yeah. Dude, where the hell is Martin? I saw him ahead. So, what the heck did he do? I saw him go ahead, and then now I don't see him. If anything, he might have went ahead of the group leaders. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't see him at all. Now I'm the rearmost again. Jeez Louise, Martin. Where are you? Alright, he actually just messaged me. He said he was already at the beach. Freaking Martin. So he went ahead of the group leaders. Just as I expected. I hope we don't go to the pier. the piers where it's really, really busy. There's Martin. He finally waited. Buddy, we've been looking for each other. You went ahead of the group leaders. Oh. Yeah. The chain.
Yeah.
Kind of. Yeah.
I was like, I put it on power and it kept slipping. I was like, what the heck?
It's not adjustment.
No, it was just that one gear. I checked it out.
I guess we're just stopping for now. Restroom break maybe.
We'll figure it out.
I won't do much. Yeah, it is lightweight though.
49 pounds.
49? You measured? Alright. Now you ride it. This is Martin's new 27 bike that he's trying to make lightest as possible. This is a nice throttle. This is like the Super73 throttle. Dude, I think he was using 0 power at... Oh yeah, it feels nice. 27 and a half. It's definitely the body, the size that I like. I'm still looking for a 27 and a half frame. Mountain bike, I had only 26 and 29. I don't know. I'm not super happy with a 29er. Photo group shot. Yeah. 100 some folks. Did we win? Alright, we're turning back. I've had 6.5 miles on my trip mile, so looks like it's going to be, 13 miles. Alright, heading away from the beach. Let's go.
I mean, if the hole's there already, you just get the 14mm drill bit and just screw on that same hole and it'll just enlarge it. You can't go wrong.
You can't go wrong?
Yeah. Yeah, just get the...
Alright, I need your help on that then. So they'll give me, I'll purchase the 3,000 watt motor.
3,000?
And I think peaks like at 5K, something like that. Alright, we're gonna order NB power motor. Looks like we might be turning soon. Almost back to the sports basement. She has a nice job for Aventon.
She works for Aventon?
Yeah, she makes the events and different states. They do the same. They do rides and promotion. That's gonna be today's vlog, folks. I'll update you guys if me or Martin wins the e-bike or not. They have a raffle going on, but that's going to be announced later on in the afternoon. We're probably going to head out, do other stuff. Thank you for tuning in on today's e-bike adventure. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the links in the description below for discounts on a Super73, an aerial rider, or a DIY bafang kit. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.